Hello, my name is Rebecca, and I will be guiding you through the setup and logging in process to access your AWT portal folder. Most of our clients will be set up with a portal folder upon engaging with our services. However, if you choose not to, you can always have one at a later date. Should you wish, please contact our staff members at Client Link at AWT Accountants to get started. You will then receive an email like this. Follow the prompt to activate your account and view your portal folder. Clicking on the link takes you to our share file activation page. Fill in your details as required and then click Continue. The next page is where you set up your password. Make sure it meets the requirements above. As you meet each requirement, the cross will turn into a tick. Click Save and sign in when you're ready. You have now completed your account activation process and can view your portal folder. Inside your portal folder, you may find files already existing. We will rearrange the documents every now and again to ensure that they are neatly assigned to the financial year that they relate to. Click on the files inside your folder to have a look at what's inside them. This one is obviously empty. However, if you wish to go back, click on your name in the top left-hand corner. Now that you have set up and activated your portal account, I'll run you through a couple of ways in order to log back in at a later date. I'm going to log out for now. During the account activation process, you will have received an email from ShareFile. Let's have a look at it. The confirmation email lets you know that you have successfully set up your AWT portal account. You can bookmark the sign-in page link as provided in the email. Let's go there to log in. Enter your credentials as you did in the sign-up process. You can select the checkbox to remember your details, and you can also reset your password with the Forgot Password button. Once it loads, you will see that you have successfully logged back into your AWT portal account. Now, say if you wish not to bookmark this URL for access at a later date, or you lose track of your ShareFile confirmation email. I'll now show you how to log into your AWT portal account from our homepage. Here is our website homepage. Just type in awtaccountants.com.au. On our homepage, in the top right corner, below our telephone number, is the Client Login button. It will take you directly to the same sign-in page as we have seen previously. Type in your credentials, click Sign In, and you are back at your AWT portal folder. I hope you found this video useful and it assists you with activating and logging in to your AWT portal folder. Thank you.